Hi everyone, today is Friday, September 4th. The first thing that I want to remind you of today is that after you do the question of the day, just remember that at 8:40 today is slam poetry. So your class meeting this morning will be with Patrick for slam poetry. So I want to remind you, how do you find the schedule? How do you find these things to know what's going on each day? You click here in the classwork tab, you look at the weekly schedule, and I'm going to blow this up a little bit, and you'll see that on Friday at 8:40, I know it says 8:45 over there on the side, but at 8:40 you have your slam poetry class meeting. So I would get there a couple minutes early and make sure that you're there. You'll be with Patrick, and he'll introduce you to what you're doing in slam poetry today. Afterwards, there are student office hours. So if you have questions about something from yesterday or even something from, that's coming up today, let me know. Okay, I will be on the same Zoom link that we always use, which is located over here. So that is slam poetry. How do you get to slam poetry? You were supposed to sign up for slam poetry earlier this week, and I put the assignment here. Go to the slam poetry classroom. Once you're in the classroom, go to the classwork tab and look for the Zoom link. Your meeting starts at 8:40. Okay, so other things that I need to remind you of with the book widgets, you have to remember that after you do like a math assignment or any other assignment that's posted, you have to press submit at the bottom. Um, what happens is sometimes if you don't press submit, it'll tell me that you've done the assignment, but it won't give me, it looks different than everybody else's, and it's not attached. Your work isn't attached, and then I can't see your work. So even though you've done it, I can't see it, and I can't see your grade, so I have no proof of it. So you have to make sure that you press submit at the bottom of the book widget, and then it'll attach your work to me. It sends me an email. It gives me your score. So sometimes I might send you a comment back and return that assignment and just say, I can't see it, so you need to go back in and press submit. That's really important. Don't forget to log into Jupiter Grades today. Many of you did that yesterday. Thank you so much. You figured it out. Make sure you're putting Anchik C26 and not Sullivan. I did add only a couple of assignments right now, so you can see some of your scores. If you have like a slash or a dash, or if it says missing, that's because you didn't do the assignment or you didn't turn in the assignment, and I try to put a comment in Jupiter Grades for you. All right, in math today, you have a multiplication review. You can continue writing the letter to your future self. You have the art assignment, which is due on Tuesday, and your catapult, which is due next week. If you are done with those things, you can read more, you can practice, you can go into Clever, you can click on some of the other applications that are available to you. So you can go to Epic. There are different things that you can do. The last thing I want to go over just very quickly is the geography slides that you will have today. You have vocabulary, and this is another, okay, I try to break it down for you. There's another like number one, activity one, this is what you're going to do. Activity two, you have to go to Brain Pop. And when you log into Brain Pop, which you should have already done, you should know how to get in there. You go through Clever. You have to go to the dashboard and look for the new assignment, which is latitude and longitude, and complete the quiz. Okay, you have to do those things in order for this assignment to be done. And then you come back, and on slide 3, there's another activity for you to do. I do want to show you that you're going to have this social studies vocabulary document available to you, which is also linked inside of the assignment. And in this document, I've set it up so that if you're looking up something like that's an R, like something in R, you click on the letter and this little bookmark comes up, and then it will bring you all the way down to R, so you don't have to scroll. Now, to get back to that main page, I have this little button called back. And so you look for the back buttons, and then it'll bring you back up to the top. So that's really cool, and you can use that. All right, Well, I think that's it for today. Don't forget slam poetry at 8:40, and I'll be having office hours right after that. Talk to you later. Bye.